Hello everyone. Now I'll discuss about the solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. Now you can see the picture of our solar system. Here I'll discuss about distance. Distance in million, and we know that 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So distance from sun to Mercury, that is 58 million kilometer. Distance from sun to Venus, that is 108 million kilometer. Distance between sun and earth, that is 150 million kilometer. Distance from sun to Mars, 228 million kilometers. Distance from sun to Jupiter, that is 778 million kilometer. Distance from sun to Saturn, that is 1427 million kilometer. Distance from sun to Uranus, that is 2869 million kilometer. And the last distance from sun to Neptune, that is 4496 million kilometer. We know that there are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now some information of planets about their orbit and spin on axis. First, Mercury. One orbit around the sun, that is 88 days. One spin on axis, that is 59 days. Venus. One orbit around the sun, that is 255 days. And one spin on an axis, that is 243 days. Next, Earth. One orbit around the sun, that is 365 days. One spin on axis, that is 1 day. And the number of moon, that is 1. Next, Mars. One orbit around the sun, 687 days. One spin on axis, that is 1 day. And the number of moons, 2. Next, Jupiter. One orbit around the sun, 11 years, 11 months, about 12 years. One spin on axis, 9 hours, 56 minutes. And number of moons, that is about 53. Next, Saturn. One orbit around the sun, 29 years, 5 months. Next, Saturn. One orbit around the sun, 29 years, 5 months. And one spin on axis, 10 hours, 40 minutes. Number of moons, about 53. Uranus. One orbit around sun, 84 years. One spin around axis, 17 hours 14 minutes. Number of moons, about 27. And the last, that is Neptune. One orbit around the sun, 164 years. One spin on axis, 16 hours 7 minutes. Number of moons, 13. Now one more thing, that is first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are called inner planets. And last 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are called outer planets. So inner planets, why they are called inner planets? Because they are very close to sun. They are made up of rocks. And the outer planets, they are very far from the sun and are huge planets made up of gases and liquids. Do you know Sol, Sol, in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Now I am giving you one task, that is, write down as many words using the word solar on your own as you can.